Donald E. McQuinn, born 1930 in Winthrop, Massachusetts, is an American best-selling author and former U.S. Marine. McQuinn graduated from high school in Texas and attended the University of Washington on a Navy scholarship. He served 20 years in the Marines, retiring in 1971 as a major, before becoming an author. In September 1998, he suffered a sudden cardiac arrest while on vacation in Hawaii and became the first person saved by the police department's recent deployment of automated external defibrillators. A third book in the Captain Lannat series was announced by the publisher as a work in progress, but remains unfinished or unpublished. Bibliography. Targets. Set during the Vietnam War. 1980. ISBN 0-02-583710-9. Wake in Darkness. Set in the Philippines. 1981. ISBN 0-02-583730-3. Shadow of Lies. Contemporary spy novel. July 1985. ISBN 0-312-93726-1. Moondick Saga Post-Apocalyptic Trilogy. Published in 9 parts in Germany. Warrior. November 1990. ISBN 0-345-36504-6. Wanderer. November 1993. ISBN 0-345-37840-7. Witch. November 1994. ISBN 0-345-37841-5. Captain Lannat Science Fiction Series. With full honors. November 1996. ISBN 0-345-400-453. The Prisoner Within. December 1997. ISBN 0-345-400-445. See also. Notes. About the author. Warrior. Gan Moondick Trilogy. Del Rey. November 1990. Humphrey. Clark. November 18, 1990. Books briefly. The Seattle Times. Donald E. McQuinn at the Internet Speculative Fiction Database. Del Rey Sample Chapters. Witch, Chapter 1. With full honors, Chapter 1. The Prisoner Within, Chapter 1.